Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set threads posts to followers only. So to do that, follow these steps, and the Threads app. Of course, you need to open up your Threads app, and then I want you to go into your profile from here. And after that, let's consider that you want to create thread and you have a public account or public threads account. So go into create. So once you create a thread, you for example type something and share a picture with it, or maybe an audio, and after that you just need to head over into post and tap on post, then it will be published. What I want you to do before you post thread, I want you to go into here, anyone can reply, and go to tap on it, and then I want to mention some people. Then you can just tap on mentioned only, and they are the only ones that can reply and code to your thread. Also, the best option here is to profiles you follow, to choose the profiles you follow. So that's not enough. What I want you to do exactly is to go into this two lines on the top right corner, tap on them, and right here I want you to go into privacy, tap on privacy, and right here what I want you to do is to turn this option on. So tap on it, and then it says only followers can see and interact with your threads. Your replies will be visible to followers and the individual profiles you reply to. So, and that's what we want, that's what you want, and that is the concept of our video. Then tap on OK, and yeah, it's done. So anyways guys, this is how to set threads posts to followers only, and this is the solution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.